today baby is going to have cataract surgery. This is what I selected for night vision. This is the driver's side of the car. So it's right there. If you look here, I labeled that as headlight. This one is labeled running light. Turn the cover, unscrew this. On this side of the car, it's underneath here, and then you can actually easily access see where my fingertip is? It's up underneath there, see? You have to unscrew this and take off this boot. The rubber boot has two little things for wires. That would be these two. Put those back on. This here. This here. When you're doing stuff like that, get rubber gloves.